Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to remove audio from video on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the CapCut application. Okay, and now you can just choose the video that you want to remove the audio or you want to work with click the new project to reach the video that you have, but you can also use the preview project. So here I already prepared to you the projects that I want to give you the tutorials to. So here is the video in my project. Let's take a look first. How's the audio of this video? Okay, this video is quite noisy, like it's have like a loud sound. So if you want to remove the audio of this clip or this video, you just need to click the clip until the clip it is in active mode. It will be signed with a blue frame on the clip, and after that you just need to take a look on this button feature, and you just need to slide this button feature into the left side until you find a volume. In this volume you just need to click it, and after that you just need to drag this point into the left side until the value is 0. Okay, and after you're done you just need to click done, and now you can have a test. Now there is no audio at all from this video, and now you can add another audio, like probably music or any other sounds, into this clip. That's all for today's tutorial, guys. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.